Okay, I have no idea why, but I want to try some dog food. I don't know what to try first because they all look disgusting. I guess I'll try this first. It's just dry food. I don't know. I can taste that it has flavor, but I can't tell what the flavor is. It's not bad though. I mean, I took a second bite. So, here's some Fresh Pet. It's refrigerated dog food. I think it might be made from real meat. I don't know. My dogs like it. They're really picky. I can't really taste much of it. Kind of like a cold version of that, the dry food that I had. Here. And now some Caesar. I'm not looking forward to this at all. Got on the wet stuff. Okay. This is a minuscule bite, but we'll see how this goes. Dog food doesn't have very strong flavors, apparently. It's not like... It's not a very strong flavor. I can't really explain it, but... Let's see. Someone's making so much noise outside. Probably the upstairs neighbors. It better be a dead body that I'm hearing out those buds. Let's try this again. This kind of reminds me of Spam a little bit. Well, there you go.